has stopped, but the water stays on the ground, on my face, on the words I couldn't say. This is the silence after the rain, when the world holds its breath and I hold the pain of a war that ended but never left. I walk the streets where we used to hide. Every corner holds a ghost of you and a version of me that already died. This is the silence after the rain, when the world holds its breath and I hold the pain of a war that ended but never The guns are cold, the letters are burned, but I still wait for a word that was never meant to be heard. This is the silence after the rain, and I'm still standing.